Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing Gemini 3 Pro, Google DeepMind's powerful new AI model. One of the most impressive features is its huge context window. It supports up to 1 million tokens of input. This means it can process long documents, books, code bases, or research data in a single prompt. For output, it supports up to 64,000 tokens. In reasoning tasks, Gemini 3 Pro delivers PhD-level depth. It outperforms earlier Gemini models on benchmarks, doing very well in math, logic, and knowledge-based questions. For developers, Gemini 3 Pro supports agentic coding and vibe coding. That means it can plan, build, and even run code across languages, and it integrates with tools via function calling for structured outputs. You can also build autonomous agents that reason, plan, and execute multi-step tasks. Another major advantage is how multimodal it is. You can feed it images, video, or audio, and it understands them alongside text. It also supports web-grounded reasoning, meaning it can use web search as a tool for more accurate, up-to-date answers. Gemini 3 Pro is available now in several Google products. You can use it in the Gemini app in thinking mode. It is also supported in Google Search AI mode for Pro and Ultra subscribers, and developers can access it via Vertex AI, Google AI Studio, the Gemini API, or Gemini CLI. On the downside, some users report that in deep research workflows, the responses feel less thorough than previous versions. Others say that when using it for code editing or tool calling, it can make mistakes or give weak calls. Overall, Gemini 3 Pro is a major leap ahead. If you want strong reasoning, deep context understanding, and powerful multimodal workflows, it is a top choice. Thanks for watching.